Hi guys, today we'll be doing unboxing of Pixel 3 mystery box Google sent me. And I was supposed to do this unboxing last month, but been a little busy, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so this whole box I'm gonna give away. There's the Android setup wars that's going on. It's actually ended yesterday, but I'm gonna actually extend it. I know a lot of you didn't have time to enter it because it was through the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So I'm gonna make this a Christmas contest giveaway thingy. So the contest has been extended to 25th. Right, 10 more days. So that way, one of you lucky guys will win this awesome Christmas gift. Alright, actually, you know what? Let's make it the 24th. That way I can announce the winner on the 25th, which would be great. So yeah, I'll be giving this whole box away. There's not that many entries right now anyways. So yeah, if you guys want to win this Pixel 3 mystery box, definitely sign up. It's the Android setup giveaway number 2. I've extended the deadline to 24th, Christmas Eve, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you already entered, you're good. If you want to add to it or if you want to change anything, just reply to the original email, alright? You can always update your entry. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box. It is really huge. So thanks again to Google Team Pixel for sending me this. Sorry, I didn't unbox it. Like I said, I was... I've been saving it for this giveaway. Let me go ahead and take these out one by one. So there is the giveaway phone, the Pixel 3. I set this aside. There is a Pixel stand, alright, that you'll get with it, wireless charging. Also, there is a Pixel 3 case. A note from Team Pixel. Alright, brochures. There is a Team Pixel fanny pack. There is nothing else but fluff. Just, yeah. Right. So you got the Pixel stand, Pixel 3, a black one. I have not opened it. Brochure. We want you to be among the first to get our exclusive kit featuring radically helpful Pixel 3 along with my case, Pixel stand, fast wireless charger paired with power of Google Assistant. Plus we have enclosed a Team Pixel bag. Thanks again, Google, but I will be giving out. I wanted to give all this out. That's why I didn't actually do the unboxing until now. Plus, I've been busy painting my house. This is a nice fanny pack. Well, actually, it's not super nice. It's just a little fanny pack. So that's cool. I'm actually not gonna open this because if I open it, it won't be brand new. Plus, I've already unboxed it. I've already did the review for the original Pixel 3 in the white. But this is what you'll win. This is a Pixel 3 64 gigabytes just black. Alright. Like I said, this is gonna be brand spanking new when you get it. The only thing I'm gonna actually unbox is maybe the case. Just take a look. Whoa. So you'll win this case. Just go ahead and pop it on my other Pixel 3. Oh, it's got 2 cases. Oh. Or is it part of one case? Oh, sorry, it's a 2-layer case. It's got a funky looking lady there. Let me go ahead and pop it on my Pixel 3 here. For these layer cases, you'll probably want to put the inside first and then pop the second one on. Real nice case. It's going to protect your phone real well. Obviously with the 2-layer, you're going to get the added advantage of impact. Alright, next let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Pixel stand real quick. And this will also be included, of course. I'm just gonna send you the whole box, whoever wins it. I wanted to actually initially keep this, but luckily the winner of next Android setup giveaway will win this. It's a nice stand. It's got a USB Type-C, right? It doesn't swivel or anything like that. Inside you got cables. Right? I'm not gonna actually put it on since I'm giving this away. But basically, pop it on there, fits perfectly. And yeah, it looks nice. Nice design. Anti-sleep design here. Looks very nice. Let me go ahead and put it back nicely, neatly. So when you guys get it. Wow. Alright, that's pretty much it. You guys can win this simply by entering the Android setup giveaway. You'll have to show off your phone, your Android phone. And we'll pick 5 top contestants. And we'll do a random drawing live, like last time. And you'll win this whole thing, the whole box. Alright. I wanted to make this video because I know some of you are not really motivated. But yeah, I think this is a really good giveaway. So definitely enter. Let me go ahead and put this back in here. This is going to be a very nice Christmas gift. For one of you lucky guys out there. Put it all back neatly, nicely, so when you get it, be like, just like brand new. Boom shakalaka, baby. Also, I'll be a little busy because I've been painting my house and I'm still not done. It's gonna take me another whole week, so that's another reason I'm extending the Android setup giveaway, the number 2. So you guys have more time. I have more time to paint my house. Have a great week, guys. Don't forget to enter. I'll put the link in the description. And I hope you guys win this. Retail value, probably around $1,000. And you can use it on Google Fi Network, which I had a review of. Check that out too. Have a great week. Happy holidays. And as always, stay